Welcome to Author Transformation Stories. This is Som Batla, author of 22 books at Amazon and founder of Author Freedom Hub, a growing community of aspiring authors. And in this session, in this series, Author Transformation Stories, we talk to various authors who joined Author Freedom Hub and they write their book, they publish their book, and they chart their own path of author journey. And today we have with us Priyadarshini Lopamudra. Welcome, Priyadarshini. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you very much for
Thank you.
inviting me.
Wonderful, wonderful. So Priyadarshini has been gold medalist in her MSc Agriculture, and she was entrant to PhD examinations, and she scored number one rank in that also. And before I tell more about Priyadarshini, if you are new to this channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get more and more such interviews coming to you. And Priyadarshini is from Durgapur, West Bengal, and she has joined my community in November 2020. And within a matter of 2 months, after going through all learning phases of writing, publishing, she is a first time author and she published her own book in the month of January 2021. What a journey, Priyadarshini. Congratulations for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very
How
much.
does it feel? How does it feel to publish your own book?
It's ecstatic. I must say that
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful,
publishing itself was thrilling
wonderful,
for me.
wonderful. So let's now start the discussion. And first and foremost, I want to know about your life journey, because every author, when they write the book, there is some background, some story which they try to put in the form of the book because the life lessons are there. So let's start with your life journey. I mean, when the seed of writing came to your mind, and maybe before that, from your childhood, from your young age, and then now today, like what the journey was and how ultimately it ended up becoming a published author. Over to you, please tell the audience.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, please.
Um, Actually, I was born in a small village
Mm-hmm.
in Odisha,
Right.
in Kendrapada district.
Mm-hmm.
My father was a officer in Food Corporation of India.
Right.
He shifted us to Bhubaneswar
Mm-hmm.
uh, for our education and upbringing.
Mm-hmm.
I completed my master's in agriculture there.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Where you scored gold medalist. Talk about that. Like you
yeah,
were
yeah,
first in the whole university.
yeah. I was first in the university.
Very
My
intelligent.
friends were very proud of me at that time.
I'm also proud of you. Salute to you.
Thank you,
Go ahead.
thank you. Um, then some incident has happened in my life,
Mm-hmm.
which was a blocking effect
Mm.
in my life.
Mm.
I want to talk
Yeah,
about that.
please talk about that.
I lost my brother, my younger brother,
Mm.
at the age when he was 20.
Oh my God. So sorry
Um,
for you.
he was a promising cricketer of our
Mm.
state,
Mm.
not only state but also in India. He
Mm.
has very good ranking.
Oh.
He was training. He had given I mean, undergoing training in National Cricket Academy,
Okay.
Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
He had captained East Zone.
Mm.
He he captained under 19
Mm.
Vijay Merchant Trophy. He was aspiring cricketer.
Mm.
In a gruesome accident, he
Okay.
passed away. The
Mm.
very date of his selection into Ranji Trophy,
Mm.
he passed away.
Oh my God.
In that day, that day was also memorable day.
Mm.
9th September,
Mm.
World Trade Center was destroyed that day.
Mm. 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 Mm.
2001,
Mm.
9th September 2001.
Mm.
The day World Trade Center in America was destroyed.
Mm.
That same day, I lost
Oh
my
my
brother.
God. Oh my God.
It was a very bad experience in our family.
Mm-hmm.
Since
I
that
can
day,
understand. Mm.
mm, I had some blocking effects.
Mm-hmm.
I pursued my career. I do well also.
Mm-hmm.
In career also, I faced some problems. Like
Mm-hmm.
I was MSc in gold medal, MSc gold medalist, also a
Mm.
first rank holder in PhD.
Mm.
Since then, I could not pursue because my internet went wrong in those days
Mm.
when I was supposed to get the call letter.
Hmm. Hmm.
I didn't get that call letter,
Hmm.
and I could not join.
Hmm.
That's how I remained as a housewife.
Hmm.
I never regretted as a housewife, because I also given a professional touch to this housewife
Hmm.
mm, career, housewife life also.
Hmm.
Children are doing well. I have
Yes.
taken care of my home very
Hmm.
well.
Hmm. Hmm.
I
Hmm.
have given a very good approach to this life also.
Yes. In fact,
Uh,
I can relate with you because point is this, that in Indian culture, often like women are, when they try to get into the career, there are some family issues, something happens that we women can't go ahead. But women's role is very very important, the upbringing of family. And if women is
yes,
handling the family well, nurturing the kids well, helping the husband well, then that
yes,
is like a strong foundation to the family. So I salute to all the women who are sacrificing their careers for the sake of
yes,
building their
yes. I
houses.
have
Yes,
sacrificed. That can I
I
say?
can relate that. Like a gold
Mm.
medalist and first in the PhD entrance, and you are
I
doing.
didn't have any clue that I could do something after joining your course.
Hmm.
Actually, it has given dimensions to
Hmm.
my life. I am
Hmm.
grateful to you. Always,
Me too. Me too. Me
I
too.
say that.
Hmm.
It has given dimension to my life. My
Hmm.
mom is so happy for me
Hmm.
that I could do something.
Yes.
Her daughter could do something. He was
Yes.
every day. Even today, he also phoned me
Hmm.
that you do well,
Hmm.
carry on. Mom is my biggest supporter.
Yes.
She's also an author. I want to
Oh,
say
wonderful.
that.
Wonderful.
She's also an author. She has published one book of 80 poems,
Wonderful. Wonderful.
and
Great.
going ahead with her short stories.
Yes. Why don't
She,
we show the audience your book right now? Let me show the book.
yeah, yeah,
One
yeah.
second.
Sure, please.
Everybody, please look at the book. This is the book, Towards Empowerment, A Woman's Journey. Discover your purpose, improve your skills, be empowered, and unleash the potential within you. And I'm quite sure, Priyadarshini, that the way you have handled your life and come out as an empowered woman. So this book will be empowering a lot of women, right?
Yes, yes, it should
Yes,
be.
yes.
My
Wonderful.
work will be addressed by that. Yes.
Wonderful.
Thank you
Great.
so
So,
much.
yeah, my pleasure. My pleasure that because of this community, your hidden potential could come out in the world.
Could
And
come
now,
out. Yes, yes.
yes,
This
yes.
community is great.
Yeah. So now, I mean, when somebody does some big work in the life, writing a book is something which is, for
Yes,
most
yes.
people, is like a distant dream. They never think of completing a book. And you wrote the book, finished the book, and published the book on your own. And I'm sure that this is quite a big journey for you. But what exactly inspired you to come out with your words on paper and write a book? What exactly was the inspiration? You joined the community, but before that, you might have some kind of inspiration. So, talk about your inspiring moments of the life when you got inspired to write a book, please.
I would say my inspiration about writing this particular book, I would say
Sure,
about that.
sure, sure.
Actually, before joining this course,
Mm-hmm,
I joined another course.
mm-hmm,
It was about transformation,
mm-hmm,
energy, these
mm.
issues. Dr. Meghna Dikit,
Okay. Mm.
Success,
Mm-hmm.
my Ultimate Success Academy.
Right.
She was inspirational in my
Mm.
life.
Mm. Sure.
Because of her, I could identify my purpose.
Mm-hmm,
I could do something.
mm-hmm,
She clarified my goals, clarified all my blocks that
mm.
I had in
Mm-hmm,
my life, about anything, about
mm.
loss of my
Mm. Mm. Mm.
relatives, my brother, anything. She
Mm.
clarified everything,
Mm-hmm,
that how I should proceed,
mm.
what I should do.
Mm.
And there she also had some ikigai
Mm.
exercise.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
There she clarified that my clear intention and purpose is to be an author.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
I
Mm.
was before that I was thinking about pursuing careers in music.
Mm.
I had that. I have that passion also.
Mm.
Thinking about proceeding in that line.
Mm.
But ma'am told me, no, you have this inclination more.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
You should be an author.
Mm. Right.
Then I thought, and she also encouraged me tremendously. And each and every day she
Mm-hmm.
encouraged me. She was
Right.
um, inspirational.
Right.
There I thought to write a book, and
Mm-hmm.
she was the icon.
Hmm.
of women empowerment for me.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
That's why I have written in this book, and her name and she being a role model, I have
Hmm.
mentioned in this book also. She is
Wonderful,
my
wonderful.
role model, my immediate role model.
Hmm.
That great lady had transformed my life
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
in
Hmm.
a purpose. That I
Wonderful,
salute
wonderful,
to her always.
wonderful. So I also thank to Dr. Meghna Dikshit, because of her you have come
Yes,
to
yes,
join
I
this
should
community. Yeah.
recommend also some people who are block, who have block,
Uh,
anything,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
they can join her.
Right, right, right. Great. So yes, so wonderful story going on. Now let's talk about. First of all, you talked about your inspiration. I got that, and now let's talk about some challenges you have in your writing publishing journey, and then I'll go to your book. Talk about when you started writing the book. Then what kind of challenges happened in coming out with the words, writing the book, and then publishing your book? Because I'm sure this journey might not be as simple. You
No,
might have
no,
a lot of
it wasn't.
learning curve. Talk about some kind of challenges you have faced, and then we'll talk about breakthroughs. Talk about the challenges when you started the writing journey. You're
Hmm.
writing the book. What were the days like? What kind of challenges you used to face?
Actually, when I joined your course,
Hmm.
um, I wasn't had not any knowledge about this KD Spy or Publisher Rocket, these things.
All
I
tools.
just had tools.
Hmm.
I just had that intention and that passion to write
Hmm.
something anyhow.
Hmm.
I continued to write,
Hmm.
and that was my mistake. I would say
Hmm.
that my topic I had not cleared from that perspective.
Okay, you did not
Perspective.
start with the profitable topic first, and then you
Yeah, yeah,
started
yeah.
writing.
That
Okay,
is my mistake.
okay, okay.
Um, I
Hmm.
would say regarding writing, that
Hmm.
was my mistake. But still, then that issue ignited me so much women empowerment
Hmm.
that I wrote on that.
Hmm.
I I go on with that.
Hmm.
I say to myself, let's.
This is a real book coming from your heart, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
purely from my heart.
Yeah, the people will be resonating much with that. We'll talk about the book. But in terms of writing, like how did you schedule your writing? Like how many words you're writing? You're writing per day certain words, or how
Yeah,
long
yeah.
does how
I
long does
was
it did
writing.
it how long did it take for you to complete the book?
It actually took me to about 5 weeks
5 weeks.
mm,
Okay, good, good, good.
to complete uh,
Total draft,
manuscript.
final completing. Yes,
Three
right.
drafts.
Right,
Three
right.
drafts.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
There were ups and downs. In
Mm-hmm.
between, I was stuck. I was thinking about quitting. My mom pushed me from there. You
Ah,
have to write and publish. I want to see you as a publishing author. You
wonderful.
can't skip. You
Mm,
can't quit.
mm,
You have to.
mm, mm, mm,
She is inspirational. My mom is great, bold lady.
mm.
She is very social and very my.
Wonderful,
mm,
wonderful. So now let's talk about your book a little bit. In your book, you talk about how to discover your purpose, improve your skills, and about woman empowerment. So, do you want to say something about what are the key what is the key kind of coverage in your book, and what is the message you want to deliver through the book? Talk about that.
Actually, this book is for women who are stuck somewhere.
Hmm.
In spite of being having some potential, they are
Hmm.
having some energy. They should channelize this
Hmm.
energy or potential to some
Hmm. Hmm.
aspect to create
Hmm.
something.
Right.
This book is about that. This is
Hmm.
about my transformational life journey.
Hmm.
I have put in first few chapters, and
Right.
after that, I written about women, a simple woman who are stuck somewhere, how
Hmm.
they can improve their confidence,
Hmm.
how women empowerment principles, what are the women
Hmm. Hmm.
empowerment principles, how
Hmm.
United Nations, what are their rules and regulations.
Okay. Okay.
These are the
Yeah.
topics.
So why do women why do people get stuck in their life? I mean, why this stuckness comes into the life? If I call stuckness, if is a word
they
of yeah.
they did not identify their purpose
Hmm.
actually.
Hmm.
they should do something to society. They could not identify that purpose,
Hmm. Hmm.
that they have something to bring back to bring back to society. They could
Hmm.
not identify that. That's why they stuck and do the routine life.
Hmm. Hmm. What about the blockages? Like people have some kind of blockages.
Yeah.
Can you just elaborate? Like you personally said that you had some blockages and then you went to some mentor, then
Blocks
that
means
meant
block. No, I had some negative, always negative things revolving around me.
like
I was thinking
if
about
when
it.
you're like every common person used to face these kinds of negative things happening in their mind. So can you talk about something so that people could relate exactly what the blockage is and why it stops people from moving ahead? What kind of when the blockage happens, what kind of
Hmm.
feelings go into your mind? What kind of feelings come into mind?
Blocks mean like I am not worthy of anything. I
Hmm.
can't do anything. I could
Hmm.
not contribute to society. I could
Hmm.
not. These are the type of
Self
blocks.
doubts, self
Self
doubts,
doubts.
I'm not good enough, self doubt. Okay. Mm-hmm. In the writer's journey we call this imposter syndrome.
Yeah,
Imposter
yeah.
syndrome, like
Imposter
we,
syndrome.
despite knowing that we are doing some good work, we have potential, we feel that people may not like our work, people may talk bad about us, right? These are
Yeah.
the things. Wonderful.
Mm.
And talk about women empowerment. Like when we say women empowerment, what are the some key things which you think that a woman from the empowerment perspective should do? Can you talk about that? Like you should discover your purpose, improve your skills, be empowered. So, what kind of things are important for a woman to become empowered? Let's talk about some things from the book.
First of all, I want to say to all women that confidence is most important.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Confidence you have, uh, it um, comes from within.
Hmm.
If you identify your self
Mm-hmm.
worth,
Mm-hmm.
then confidence is the first
Right.
aspect
Mm-hmm.
about women empowerment
Mm-hmm.
and women
Yes.
uh, mm, and
So, mm,
contributing to society is another aspect.
right.
We should have that perspective.
Mm,
We can contribute. We
right.
should also
Mm-hmm.
by মানে, what else? By identifying our purpose
Right.
will be the first
Right. 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 Right.
thing.
So, how do we develop confidence? Like, what are the things you should think as a what things should be done for developing the confidence? Like, as some woman, if she's like lacking confidence, can you say some one or two tips like how can she develop a confidence? I mean, you have done those things personally in your life. Like, you took the courage of joining some courses, attending some mentors, and those helped you in coming out as a
Yes, yes.
courageous woman. So,
Hmm.
can you give some tips to women so that they could feel empowered? I mean, talk to like a, when you're speaking, talk to like a common woman who is watching this interview and you are speaking directly to that woman and who is feeling like less confident, who is feeling like less empowered. Now talk to that woman, straightforward, talk to that woman from the heart. What should that woman uh, do? Because now you are talking about woman empowerment. Talk to that woman eye to eye, heart to heart, and tell her what should she do,
First of
please.
all, I want to say society is cruel at times to women.
Mm-hmm.
At that time, you have to take that bold step for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
What you need for yourself, for your betterment, what things you need,
Mm-hmm.
mm, you should do that.
Mm-hmm.
So, মানে, we should not care about society so much,
Mm-hmm.
what people are
Right.
saying, or
Mm-hmm.
our people are saying, or our relatives are saying.
Mm-hmm.
That should not matter at all.
Right.
We should do our things in
Mm-hmm.
our way.
Mm.
What is going to help ourselves
Mm.
to be productive, to do something substantial to society. We
Right.
should do in that way.
Mm.
Whether it is to join a course or to join any career,
Mm.
the woman should
Mm.
think about herself first before
Mm.
thinking about the society and the
Mm. Mm.
atmosphere and people.
Yeah, I agree with you because in India, women are thought to be like a sacrificing creature.
Yes, yes,
They have to sacrifice everywhere, because if they have some kind of dream, they are the first one to be asked to, sacrifice those dream. I mean,
yes.
so you have,
Non-progressive mindset
yes.
is there in
Hmm.
our in foreign. There are some advancement. They are a bit advanced.
Hmm.
India, there is a
Yeah, yeah,
non-progressive mindset.
right. So
This
in this book,
non-progressive.
yes, in this book, you are talking to that woman, basically telling them that they should take some bold steps, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm, hmm,
Bold
hmm.
step.
Right.
So that
Wonderful.
they take they for themselves.
Wonderful. Hmm,
There
hmm,
is
hmm.
nobody
Hmm.
who will take that step for you.
Yes.
You have to take that step on your own.
Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Good, good, good. Okay. So, when you were writing this book, what was the target audience or reader you were thinking about? Who should be
Target
reading? Of course,
target
women.
audience.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Target audience definitely woman. Each and every woman,
Hmm.
particularly those who were stuck somewhere.
Hmm.
As I was stuck somewhere, was clueless about my life, my journey, my
Hmm. Hmm.
proceedings.
Right.
I would relate to them who are stuck. But it
Hmm.
is for every each and every woman. Also for everyone, I have addressed the role of male
Hmm.
members in the
Yes.
book also. They
Yes.
are also needed in this process.
Right. 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 As a, I mean, husband, as a son.
Husband, friend,
Yes.
son, colleague, and everything. Male's role is also equally addressed.
Hmm.
Both
They have to support the woman in terms of bringing
supports
those
for a
qualities.
thriving society.
Hmm.
They also have to support and
Hmm.
involve.
Hmm. 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 Right. Good, good, good. Great to know about your book, about your journey. So, can we talk about little bit of your internal transformations that happened in this writing, publishing journey, joining the FH community? Some like internal changes you felt in yourself, like deeper changes. Talk about that.
Yes, yes, deeper. There are many changes. I have become systematic.
Hmm.
My schedule has become systematic.
Hmm.
For each and every hour, I become accountable. Earlier,
Oh.
I was not so.
Hmm.
I was wandering like here and there,
Hmm.
not having any specific discipline type of.
What specific thing made you that accountable?
This writing process, I
Okay.
had developed
Okay.
that schedule.
Hmm.
I I was actually I thought when I said to myself, if I didn't be like this, I
Hmm.
would not be complete my book
Hmm.
in 30 days. I was clueless earlier. I had
Hmm.
no idea about anything.
Hmm.
That's why I become like this.
Yeah, that's a transformation. Like you become systematic. What else? You said many changes. So talk about some more changes.
Systematic about relationship. I also revolve around every people,
Hmm.
taking care of everyone,
Hmm.
having no space for myself.
Hmm.
That also changed.
Hmm.
I set boundaries for every relation. I mm, told them I want space
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
myself.
Okay. Good. That's good. Yes. Wonderful. Wonderful. So you,
It was not like that. Earlier, I was revolving around each and every person, taking care of them,
hmm,
neglecting myself only.
like a common woman does.
Yes, yes.
Uh, okay, I can relate to that. Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, I come from a like a low middle class family where our mothers and aunts have to do all this running around their husbands, and okay, when he has come, serve the food, and the children school going, coming back, their own personal life did not matter much.
Didn't matter.
Yeah, yeah.
Couldn't
So,
identify the purpose. We
mm,
women,
mm,
clueless. We become
mm.
clueless.
Yes, 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 yes. So this is your giving value to yourself is something you found a transformation in yourself, that you had
Yes.
a purpose. You have to serve the world at a large, and that's where you became accountable and serving yourself.
Actually, that fire ignited within me. I have to do something
Mm,
substantial.
mm,
That
wonderful.
that
Great,
transformation. I
great, great, great. Great to know about your transformations. And now let's talk about a little bit about Author Freedom Hub. Before joining the AFH Author Freedom Hub and post joining the Author Freedom Hub, like what kind of, I mean, you already told about the breakthroughs. your AFH journey from the date you joined the course till you're publishing your book. It's quite a period, right? 2 months you spend into that.
Yes,
So
yes.
talk about that journey. Like you were going through the courses, how they helped you. You joined the community. How did that help you? You have weekly sessions. You always are regular in the weekly sessions.
Yes,
So
yes. I
talk about
never missed your any of the neither of Publithan or
yes.
WICC till
Yes,
now.
yeah, talk about your journey. Like talk to the person who is now think. Imagine a person who is watching this video who want to write a book, publish a book. Talk to that person and then tell that what did you learn in that, and so that he or she could get inspired.
AFS was what to say. Can't find a word.
Hmm.
Actually, this has done
Share the feeling.
wonderful for
Uh,
me. Actually, I am telling about while I joined fast. Uh, I was seeing the Telegram group.
mhm,
People are chatting. They are saying so many things. There,
mm,
some people are carrying on polls
mm.
about titles. I was clueless. What is this going on? I could someday I could involve such in such a manner.
Hmm.
So, I thought, "Nahi, I have to also. I have also. I have to be involved
Hmm.
in this way."
Hmm.
And then I slowly I
Hmm.
participated. I become active, and
So you were shy like जैसे normal women होती हैं shy करते हैं कि नहीं मुझे chats में नहीं जाना है लिखना नहीं है तो आप ऐसे ही सोच रहे होंगे right?
yes, yes,
हम्म.
ऐसे ही सोच रहे थे.
हाँ तो बताइए उसके बारे में like फिर आप कैसे कैसे open up हुए?
ओपन अप धीरे धीरे मेरे अंदर था पैशन कि मुझे कुछ करना है,
हाँ
मुझे लिखना तो है ही, तो क्यों
हाँ
नहीं मैं इन्वॉल्व हूँ. धीरे
हाँ.
धीरे जो पार्टिसिपेंट अच्छा लगे, जिनका कमेंट्स अच्छा लगे, इस सब में मैं पार्टिसिपेट करती गई.
हम्म.
और धीरे धीरे इन्वॉल्वमेंट बढ़ता गया.
हम्म.
और एक्टिव तो मैं हूँ ही, आप तो अभी जानते हैं,
हम्म.
अभी तो
हम्म.
एक्टिव हूँ.
हम्म.
So it was substantial.
हम्म.
Some people have helped me. This Publithon, many other friends I have developed. They
हम्म.
have also given me so many informations, so
हम्म.
many what to say. They have tremendously helped me
Yes, yes, yes. Great, great, great.
regarding everything.
Wonderful.
And those who want to join, I will also tell this. This is the best course in India, I would say.
Hmm.
I want to say something. I also have joined some other authors before joining your course.
Sure. Talk
They
about that.
didn't appeal me actually.
Hmm.
That's why I was like बस ऐसे ही रहे, देखते हैं क्या होगा.
Hmm.
ऐसे ही थे. फिर I was one day I was searching Facebook. I came across your course and
Hmm. Hmm.
instantaneously I found it's authentic and it's going to help me
Hmm.
immensely.
Hmm.
Then I joined your course.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Mhm.
So
As
yes, it
usual,
is. Yeah.
you are awesome.
Thank you so much for. I mean, you all already told about your whole journey and the kind of transformation you have gone through. This journey is really, really awesome, and I salute to you for that. And yes,
Thank
I
you.
think
Thank
with
you.
that we are coming towards the end of this interview session. And before I end this session, let me just talk to the audience who is someone. If you are someone who is thinking of writing a book, who is thinking of publishing a book or getting scared that how to do it and how I would be able to do it or not, then I invite you to the community called Author Freedom Hub. It's a fast growing community of authors where we are working like friends, helping each other and
Yes,
making the
yes.
journey like very smooth for everybody.
It's very
And
interesting.
yeah, yeah,
Actually, my heart, whole heart is in apex. Whether
uh,
I do some work or go anywhere, my
hmm,
heart is there.
wonderful. That's like I feel grateful for that. That I'm instrumental to creating some kind of community like this. So
Yes, yes. You
that
are
gives a
instrumental. You are
thank you,
awesome.
thank you so much,
You
thank you
be
so much.
blessed always.
Pleasure. And if you're someone who wants to write, publish, and market your book, then I invite you to the Community Author Freedom Hub. There is a link below this video that is my mini training. Watch that training, consume the content, and if you feel like you need to take inspired action, I invite you to take inspired action and join the community. And if you are someone who cares about women empowerment, if you are a woman or not, or if you're anyone who is caring about women empowerment, if you think
Yes.
that women are important part of the society who needs to be empowered so that they could play a vital role, then I invite you to try out the book by Priyadarshini, To Empowerment, a Woman's Journey, because you'll be finding the real life example of hers and her own message, which can help every woman to get empowered. Right. So with that, we are going to end this session. And Priyadarshini,
Yes.
before I let you go, one parting piece of advice for everybody that should be coming from your heart. Tell
Yes.
the
Yes.
people that
I
what
always
should.
talk from heart.
Yes, sorry for that. Let's talk about
I'm
your.
very open,
Yeah,
and
please,
talk
please.
from heart always. Yes.
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 Give
I
your
want to
heart's
say
advice. Give heart's advice
yes.
to the audience.
I want to say to everyone, not only
Mhm.
authors. I want to say for everyone,
Yes.
identify that fire within you
Mm,
as early as possible
mm,
and do something substantial,
mm,
whether at the cost of time, money, or relationship, anything.
mm.
Identify that fire and mm, do something substantial.
Wonderful, wonderful. Great. Thank you so much, Pridarshini, and it was wonderful having you here. And all watchers of this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get to know more and more of such interviews of more inspiring authors, so that you could also start your journey of authorship and buy the books of other authors coming to these sessions. So thank you so much. I'll come back to
Thank
you with
you.
one of
Thank
more
you.
shows. Thank you so much, Pridarshini. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank